Hey folks, welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about maintaining the interior of the car. Well, really maintaining the car in general, but mostly want to focus on the interior. I think it's a pretty common question about how do you keep the interior looking good. I know there's the fake leather, leatherette, vegan leather, whatever. So that's one. And then the other surfaces in the car, the screen, and just maintain that in general. I will show a few products that I use on the outside of the car, but today I'm not going to be washing the outside of the car today. I'm just going to do the inside. With the dash that's in there, I can show you. It does seem to collect dust really easily. I don't know, just the black or what it is, but it definitely does seem to show some dust. I can show this down here too. Even with the PPF matte wrap on it, it still definitely does show the dust. So how to keep that down, what products I use. It's really not that hard if you just commit even 5 minutes a week, really we'll keep it clean. It doesn't take much. Okay, so here are the products that I use inside and outside. I can just show you quickly. So on this side, number one, a ton of microfibers. Always using those, so you can never really seem to have too many microfiber towels. For the inside, I use this Chemical Guys product. It's called Inner Clean. Works really well, and I'll show you that in a minute. This is the product that I used to ceramic coat the inside of the white seats. So if you are looking for that, that's what that looks like. And the other product I use inside is this one, another Chemical Guys product called VRP, and I can show you where I use that. For the exterior of the car, I'm not going to get into too much, but this is just kind of a pile of it. I use Chemical Guys. I don't know why, I found their stuff. It seemed to be good. I've been using it. I've been really happy with it, so I stuck with it. I use just plain old Rain-X on all the glass on the outside of the car because it makes the water bead off so nice. And then I use this tire shine. I found that is actually really impressive, and it lasts a long time on the tires, so it's really, really nice. And then again, more microfibers. I actually got these ones at Costco. They were a great price on sale. So yeah, this one here, these are like microfiber pads that haven't even opened yet. I'm going to use them with this product, which is similar product to the interior hydrophobic coat or ceramic coat, but this is for the trim. So this is going to get used on all the black pieces around the car, like here and along the bottom, and just going to keep those looking nice and fresh and nice and black. I'm going to grab the Inner Clean and we'll do that real quick. Yeah, I just take a large microfiber like this and open it. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, I just take a large microfiber like this, take your Inner Clean, and I just generally put it on there. And then I use this on all the surfaces in the car, except for the seats, which I can show you in a second, and the bottom trim on the door. I use a separate product for that too, and I can show you. But this, I'd use it for all of these surfaces, the dash up here, and then even the center armrest here, I use it for that. Get in the cup holders. Yeah, it works really well. I find it has a really nice scent too. It's kind of like a pineapple, or what the hell is it? I don't know. It smells like pineapple or something tropical. Yeah, and then for the front dash, it gets really dusty, just the same thing. I just reach up in there. Steering wheel, oh yeah, all of it. And then what I'll do is, because it does go on pretty good, then I'll just flip this microfiber over when I'm done, and I'll just use it to take off any extra product that was left. That's basically it for the dash. A little fluffy here and there, no big deal. I do the same thing for the top parts of the doors and where the vegan leather is on the door sides. For the screen, actually kind of gimmicky, but I got this product from Abstract Ocean. It's just a little container, a little triangle shape, and inside is some cleaner. And then on the outside, it's wrapped with microfiber. So if you put your screen, go under your settings, display, you can put on the screen clean mode. Really good feature. Then you just spray this on. It's kind of gimmicky, I get that, but it's actually kind of really convenient. And then you can just use the actual container. Next, I'll show you what I do to the sides, the bottom halves of the door. Stand by. Okay, so For this part of the door up here, all this, and the actual armrest, I will use the inner clean that I just used. From that line down on this, on the harder plastic, all along here and here, I'll use this product here. I was initially skeptical. I've had this for a while. I didn't want to use it because I read somewhere that it actually makes it look pretty shiny, and I like the way it looks from the factory. So I decided to try it, and I just used on the back, I just used a little spot to test and see what it would look like. I was actually really impressed. It does have a little bit of shine, I'll admit, but it's not a big deal. It's not much, and in fact, to me, it made the car look like it was brand new, like the day I got it. So for this one, say bye. For this one, I do use two separate microfibers because quite a bit of the product is left on the surface after you use it. So I use like there's usually like a bit of a fluffy side and a flatter side. I use the flatter side to apply. It doesn't take much. Give this a good shake. Doesn't take much. Well, that's quite a bit, but whatever. And I just smush that on the cloth a little bit, and then I just rub that on here. And I find it gives it a really nice look. Not too shiny, but it makes it look nice and clean, nice and brand new. And that's it. I go over the speaker at the end just gently. I don't want to get any product down in there. And then I ditch that and I use the fluffier side of my other towel to kind of buff off any excess and just give it a nice finished smooth look. I can't say for sure. I think it offers a little bit of protection here. I'm guilty of scuffing my foot here all the time, and I'm always getting mad at myself, but there's a couple there you can see. But when I put this stuff on, it actually takes away the appearance of that a little bit, and I think it gives it a little bit of protection from that in the future. So that's that. So that's the two products I use in the interior of the car, the inner clean and the VRP. As you can see, it does turn out pretty nice. Dust is mostly gone, and I think that the doors, they look much better. I like that. FYI, you can also use your VRP on all of that inside plastic. So especially back here in the back where you're gonna have stuff like, you know, marks like this happening and stuff. All this is the same material along here, and even all around the edges of the hatch. So I would use them, I would use that product on that too. Lastly, the seats. The seats are really simple. And I'll show you guys, because I know some of you are asking about the blue on the white seat, and that one guy made a great comment about his grandma's couch. But I'll see if it comes up on camera. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but let's get close and we'll see. It's pretty faint, to be honest with you. It either will come out more obvious on camera or less. Well, I think you can see it pretty good there. There's some bluing. So to clean the seats, just as a maintenance, just to clean the seats, I just use baby wipes just to wipe them down, clean them off. That works for everything. For that blue, that's gonna be different because I've ceramic coated the seats, as I've told you. So I don't want to use anything too harsh on the seats because I think it'll take off the ceramic coat as well. So I want to wait till I'm good and ready to do that, because I also need to be then ready to re-ceramic coat the seat. So that'll be coming in the future, redoing that and also doing the trim, the exterior trim ceramic coat. So I'm just going to give them a wipe down with baby wipes. Just gets the dust. You'd be surprised how much stuff, even when they look clean, they're not. But a baby wipe has taken off any stain or any dirt or anything that's gotten on the seats. That has wiped off, no problem. The blue jean stain is the only thing that I think will be harder, but I have seen videos where it's going to come off. I'm pretty confident. So we'll have to wait and see for that though. So handy enough for the parents out there, this center console is large enough to fit a package of Costco baby wipes. So if you got kids, you know how much you're going through those. So those fit in there, and I'll tell you what, I've used them more with the family than I have to clean the white seats. It's just really great to always have a pack of baby wipes in your car. You guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just give the seat a wipe, get in the cracks like that, and you'll see there's, like, you know, dirt and hair and old farts. There's everything down here. Like, there was a little mark on the seat. Baby wipes are taking everything off other than the stain, the blue jean. But I mean, that's basically all there is to it. But you'll see quite a bit of quite a bit of dirt will come off. They don't show dirt, honestly. They do a really good job, just like a white car does, or a light colored floor. It tends to show less dirt than the dark color. So I think they do a really great job of hiding a lot of the dirt. So that's basically the gist on how I do kind of a quick detail, I guess is maybe the better name for it. It's not a true kind of full wash inside, but it's kind of what I do weekly or every 2 weeks if I can. Just grab that inner clean, give the whole car a wipe down. And the VRP that I mentioned, I only use that maybe once a month, but the rest of the time it's mainly that inner clean. It really keeps the car looking good, and of course the screen cleaner. So that's what I do on kind of a weekly basis to keep the car looking great. Really appreciate you all for watching and subscribing, and we'll catch you in the next one.